Right, so you can see here it's a solid wooden frame and it has a very rough texture and not the regular shape, it's irregular shape. So I'm trying to draw paint a picture here. So these are the pre-made I have already done before. Now I'm going to progress and complete the whole drawing. Stay with us and see how we're going to progress the whole drawing. So for these functions, I'm going to take the black color to complete the drawing of the tree and showing it as a single coherent one. Now you can see from the top, maybe I'm going to try connect all the branches here. As you know, it has an organic shape, so the presentations of the shape of the tree will be irregular shape but with a balanced way. The main idea is that I'm going to connect all the circles like shapes and put it into a single tree. All right. Mhm. Okay, because it's carrying a much load and other branches, then the main trunk is going to be a little bit a thicker one. Let's connect this one. Okay. All right, there goes another branch here. Mhm. We need little bit more color, so I'm putting the color, and you can see uh, when you put the branches, just paint in a way so that you can see that this whole branch is starting from a point and it's reaching to another point. That's why maybe sometimes it goes inside the middle of those, because this branch maybe you can see in the middle here. Okay, so I'm drawing another branch and another branch may be coming up here. Okay, so that's the beauty of the tree. Just all the branches are in a single line and it has a coherence, having all the balance. Okay, all right. Black on the one side. Okay, now just for 3D effect, we're just putting a white color on one side to show the shades and other things. Okay, getting some white colors from here and drawing it again. All right, so now you can see the tree in a full solid form. All right, now I'm going to put a moon here in these positions. So taking the color white and drawing the moon. As you know, when you draw the moon, just try to make it as round as possible. If it's a freehand painting, so the circle may not be the perfect one, but we always try to do the best and make the nice circle out of it. Okay, maybe some birds flying. So one is here, and the bird you can see, and a few dots on the sky to show the stars in the night sky. Just putting the dots and a few dots into the middle of the tree just to emphasize the volume. Okay, so it's all about the details with which you're just showing the presentations of your drawings, and after all the details is done, the painting becomes lively. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.